Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeCompany.com. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called AI Stack and it's from Shea Adeleke, and in a nutshell is the world's first AI application that helps you crush the e-com industry without creating any store yourself, and you have the opportunity to bank 3 figures a day with super e-com funnels that this application is going to help you create. It's an amazing. I watched the dashboard area and the performance and the created stores, and I was blown out of my mind, including the pricing. Everything is taken care of by AI. It is an amazing product that gives you access to creating your own e-com shop, just like Shopify, and then avoid some of those dramas you have with Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and the rest. It's an amazing product in my own recommendation. Just another one from the creator of BrainBox, Copy Paste, and TV Paste, and the rest of them. All are mega launches from Shea Adeleke, my brother, and it's going live today, the 2nd of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And then you'll be able to use that first link below in my description area to pick up a copy. When you do click on that link, it will bring you here where you buy a link. Buy a copy of this using this link. When you do, a copy of AI Stack will be yours. And if you stick with me, I will show you through the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are going to definitely, believe me, blow your mind, because they are loaded with training courses, ebooks, and chatbot mastery exercises that are going to actually help you make a lot of money online, and of course get you on traction towards doing so, and also show you the amazing AI Stack dashboard area, which I have tried to use, and then I will show you in details how these are operational. Okay, so now if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you every other day to bring out these videos and the reviews that are going to help you pick products that are going to help you make money online. Okay, so now let us go into some of the benefits for this one. I am very excited. As you can see, it is 100% brand new, no store e-com technology, and you enter a keyword and AI generates super e-com funnels for you that sell anything for you. I mean, I've seen it, digital products like cameras, like cosmetics, even health products and fitness products, everything you want, just like you can get it on ClickBank platform. This is what is going to actually help you create your own, and of course launch the website that is going to help you market these materials. And you have also, forget Shopify, Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay, and you don't even worry about traffic, because AI Stack sends thousands of traffic of free clicks to you, and you have also 99% success rate with all their beta testers for this product. Everything is done for you on autopilot, and they generate 100,000 plus monthly in net profit with this product, and no setup and no configuration. You just click a button and it is done. No other apps or services needed with AI Stack, and on top you have the option of not spending a dime, zero upfront costs, and of course you have 30-day money back guarantee for this one. So this is the very sales video which you are going to get access to when you arrive here at the sales page after clicking that first link in my description area. And these are some of the income proofs from Shea Adeleke and the beta testers, and I believe there are testimonials that you are going to see with this one. I believe some of them are here, and this is what this person is saying. Sarah M, Walden S, and the rest of them. So you can read all that for yourself, and you cancel with this opportunity. Shopify, Amazon, these are companies where you pay monthly subscription fees endlessly to keep your business online, but now you can beat all that and use the power of AI to actually create your own Shopify or anything e-com for any product. It could be affiliate products, it could be anything online. Okay, so that's why I am paid. Very excited. You cancel all of these subscriptions and have your own. Time is here when people should be able to do some of these things. Otherwise, what is the need for AI and the revolution that is ongoing? Okay, so I will leave some of this to you when you arrive here, so that you see you have simple 3 steps to getting this work for you. The first one is to buy the product, and then click any of the buttons and page, of course, on my sales page when you arrive there. And then step 2 will be you let AI build e-com super funnels that will sell anything on your you have physical, digital, or affiliate offers. Okay, so the third one, which is the traffic, will be you let this AI stack unleash thousands of buyers' clicks without running ads or spamming social media. And also you have the step 4. This is exactly where you profit, because then you are the clicks are there from the traffic that is sent by this AI application. And then of course when they click and the products sell themselves, in this case good products, they definitely buy, and you know what that means. Okay, so in any case, what I will recommend is that you go through this with the optimism that I have, because I know Shea Adeleke sold over 9,000 units of Brain Box, and I have reviews on that note. So whenever he launches something, I must bring it out there. So it's up to you now to make up your mind if it is going to be for you, because the traffic to this product will be high, and if you don't buy it within the launch period, definitely it's going to go up in the coming days. So as soon as it goes live tomorrow, which is actually the 2nd of October, you should be able to get a copy of this for yourself, and then go through the sales page when you arrive here, so that we have time to look at other things such as the very members area, which is exactly where we are going to go. I will leave the rest of the review for the sales page for you when you arrive here, so that you see if this is going to be for you. This is the gentleman, my brother, Shea Adeleke, and he is actually doing so every month. Okay, so now let us see the members area, the dashboard area. This is the dashboard area. Basically, if you want to go through the tutorials, this is the button you click, which I recommend first to go through the tutorials of how this works. And of course I will play the video of this very product in action, and you'll see exactly, and leave the link in my description as well. Now let us see the funnel area, which is basically how this thing is structured. Now look at the funnels. You just put the button you want, leverage AI, or select from library. So let's say you choose leverage AI. Definitely you put your product name, maybe AI hacks, okay, in this case, and then what kind of product do you want? Let's say digital product like ebook, and then you can choose product category. You can choose anything that is of interest. This is order, because I don't see anything I want there. And then what do? You click next, and then yeah, hold up. Okay, so this is where you choose your template. When you do choose this template, you will be able to actually begin to register your information, like personal information. Let's click this, for example, and see if it is going to give us something. This is where you put your email address, your phone number, your Instagram link, your Facebook link, and LinkedIn link. When you do that, what you are going to see will be something like I'm going to show you now, which is going to actually show you a copy of the one I created previously, to see if this is going to help us view funnels. Let's see if it's going to open up to that page. I am not getting any response from that. Okay, yeah, this is exactly what I mean. So here you have access to view anything you want, edit. You can view with this button. You have your create your ER code and all that. This is how you do it. And then what else? Okay, so this is where you edit, and this is where you delete, and these are the very funnels that have been already created. So you can definitely go through them at your convenience. You can add your link here. You can edit with this button. Okay, so and then you can delete. So that's about what you have. And here you have the setting, which is where you get the general setting for this product. Here you have the button for tutorials. You have the upgrades, which I'm going to show you during the OTOs, and then of course you have also the bonuses here when you arrive here. That's when you become a member of this very dashboard as a product buyer for this product. Okay, so that's about what we have with this. It's very simple, and you can configure it yourself using the very demo video, which I'm going to play now if the system allows me. Otherwise, I will leave the link below in my description area. Now, without much ado, let us see the video and then go from there. Okay. channel where I review IT products and digital products that are going to help you, including training courses to help you make money online. Now, this is my bonus page where we'll have the pricing for AI Stack from Shay Adeleke. This is a diagram anyway, but let's go more in details. The very front end goes for $17, which will give you access to this dashboard where you perform all the magic you need, and then you have the unlimited version, which is the upgrade number 1 for $67, which means everything is basically unlimited for you. If there are any shortcomings on the front end for $17, with this very upgrade, you are going to have everything basically unlimited. Now you have the OTO number 2, the upgrade number 2, which is the done for you, goes for $297. You don't lift a finger. Everything is done for you by the team of this launch. And you have also the upgrade number 3, the automation. Everything is automated for you alongside this done for you. And of course, if you get unlimited, it's not a must that you buy all this product, because I know unlimited is very important, and then done for you is an optional in case you don't want to perform the task of setting this up yourself because of whatever reason. Then you'll be able to apply for this one. And then of course it's very advisable also. And then you have the OTO number 3, which is the automation, which is this. And then you have the Swift profit for $7, which is the upgrade number 4. Upgrade number 5 will be the limitless traffic. It goes for $97. That means traffic is limitless, and they know how they do these things because they are actually synchronized with some of these very vast audience that they have access to. So now you have also the upgrade number 6, which is the agency. It goes for $167, and you have the OTO number 7, the upgrade number 7, which is the franchise edition, goes for $97. This one is good because it gives you agency business in a box, so I advise in favor of that also. Okay, so now let's see the OTO number 8, which is the upgrade number 8, which is the multiple income for AI Stack, and you have it for $47. And that definitely takes us to the amazing bonuses that I have arranged for you for this one. I have 10 of them actually, and more will be sent by email upon request. And the first one is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which teaches you on how to develop your business and have it very profitable online, of course. And you have the number 2, which is the list building expert, very important to make money on demand, and internet marketing fast start. If you want to start online and fresh, this is the knowledge you need. I think it's going to give you a Google Drive doc and a PDF doc that is going to actually help you expose some of the secrets. And you have also the affiliate marketing secrets. You have, I mean, that is very good. 30 Days to a Bigger Email List ebook. And you have chatbot marketing mastery, how to master your chatbot, so that when you prompt AI to build a chatbot for you, or any of these other facilities that you need to use to do so, you'll be able to know what to do. Number 7 will be building the perfect sales funnel, just like the funnel that this product is creating for eCom products, affiliate products, and digital products. Definitely you'll be able to learn how to build your own perfect sales funnel using the knowledge that you have from this bonus to actually complement the one you have with the AI Stack. Okay, now you have number 8, blogging for profit, how to start your blog on YouTube or any of the other platforms and definitely get the values you want out there, of course out there, so that people can look at you and see how they can be of immense benefit to your success. Now you have the number 9, the email list building blueprint, and of course you have the copywriting crackdown, which helps you with the prompt, and of course create the perfect sales speech to get long-time sales on recurring basis. Okay, so that's the amazing bonuses you will not get anywhere else except from me. And now that will definitely bring us towards the end of this review. I am very excited for this amazing product, and I believe anybody who is interested in making money online with your own agency, creating eCom shops for people which you can sell at any price, and of course sell your own products, affiliate, digital or otherwise, this is the product you need from the great Shay Adeleke, the 7-figure vendor and creator who has changed the landscape of internet digital marketing. And of course this is one of those products that I believe will last the length of time, of course, in the future. Okay, so now this is where we are going to end it for this review. I will come back to you in my next. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. I will see you in my next. Till then, it's goodbye.